Namo Buddhaya. Greetings from Sri Lanka. Welcome to Buddhism for beginners. Dear Dhamma friends, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe and touch the bell icon so that you can get notification very earlier. The first noble truth is known as dukkha. Dukkha, Arya Satcha. Here Arya means noble. And second one is the dukkha samudaya. Dukkha samudaya. We discussed about the Paticca Samuppada, the 12 links of Paticca Samuppada. And third one is Dukkha Nirodha. Dukkha Nirodha. How we can stop Dukkha. How we can end the suffering. And fourth one is the Dukkha Nirodha Gamini Patipada. It means the way to end the suffering. So what is that way? That way is called Ariya Attangiko Maggo. This is the way which leads us toward the end of suffering. So here Ariya means noble. Attangika means eightfold. And Magga means path. On the basis of condition, we have been divided into three groups. The first one is abnormal, normal, and supernormal. So these are the three conditions we live in the society. Many people are abnormal, they are not in order. Normal, they are in order, but they are very normal. And supernormal, they are above the normal. There is a famous saying in Sanskrit, Ahara Nidra Bhaya Maitunancha Samanyam Etat Pasubhi Naranam Dhammehi Tesam Adhika Visesa Dhammena Hina Pasubhi Samana. It means all living organisms in this environment, all of them take food, all of them they take rest, all of them they react, they protect themselves, they defend, and all of them they do the physical relationship and they reproduce. These are the common qualities. These are the common criteria we find both in human being and in animals. Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, and Maituna. Samanya method, this is common. Pasubhi Naranam. Both in Pasu, I mean the other animals and human being. But the special characteristics that is called Dhamma, which makes us supernormal. Dhamme hi te samadhika vishesa. Dhamme hi te samadhika vishesa. Adhika vishesa means supernormal. Okay. So dhamme hi te samadhika vishesa. Dhamme ne hina pasubhi samana. It means without Dhamma, human beings is equivalent to just animals like others. This is the cycle, life cycle. We can say this is the nucleus. These are the orbits. Many orbits are there. So this is called the wheel of Samsara. Wheel of Samsara. And all the living organisms, they are moving. And here two forces are acting upon the objects. Objects means the living organisms. One is centripetal force and another one is the centrifugal force. centripetal force which attracts objects toward the center, and centrifugal force which pulls the objects beyond the orbits. So here centrifugal force means the force which leads a person beyond the samsara or the path of vimukti. According to this diagram, the normal living organisms, they used to take the normal birth, many lives, and they revolve around the life cycle. And just they are revolving, revolving, and revolving. Sansarati. So they are in this samsara. But anyone who wants to come out from the samsara, that we say the bhava chakra, the wheel of samsara, then he has to be super normal, and he has to follow the path of super normal, and that path of super normal is the Arya Atthangika Maggo. That is why this is called the Noble Eightfold Path, because this path, it gives us freedom from the samsara. There are eightfold paths, and all those eightfold paths have been divided into three groups. First one is the Panna, second one is the Sila, and third one is the Samadhi. The first one is the called wisdom, second one is the morality, and third one is the mindfulness. So these are the three groups. The eightfold path has been divided. So today we'll talk about the first group, that is the wisdom. In Panya or wisdom section, the two are coming, that is the vision and thought. Vision and thought, or we can say vision and intention. So in our first group, Panya, it comes vision and thought. Here vision means, in Pali it is called Ditthi, and thought or intention is called Sankappo. But here it is not normal Ditthi. As this path itself is Arya, as this path itself is noble path, so this Ditthi is not the normal Ditthi, it is the noble or Samma Ditthi. And this Sankappa also, Samma Sankappa. So the vision is not normal vision. The vision is here, the vision is not the normal vision, but it is the wise and skillful vision. Wise and skillful vision. And the same thing, the intention or the thought, Sankappa is also, Samma Sankappa means wise and skillful intention. So today we will discuss about the wise and skillful vision. What does it mean by vision? Normally we see the things with our eyes, but the vision is not just to see. Vision, it means in what way we understand this society, this world. whatever we are seeing, how do we interpret? What is the way of understanding the samsara or whatever we are coming in contact? That is our vision. So that vision drives us accordingly. If our vision is right, perfect, balanced, harmonious, and mature, and skillful and wise, then it always leads us toward a good destination. But if our vision is not perfect, if our vision is based on delusion, if our vision is based on all the defilements, if our vision is based on all these shortcomings, then our vision leads us towards imperfection, toward the suffering. So here Buddha has taught us that a person who wants to come out from the suffering, wants to get liberation, he must have a wise and skillful vision. He must understand the things properly. So, what should he understand? So, that Buddha says he must understand three things. First thing is that he must understand the law of anicca. Anicca means law of impermanence. He must see anicca everywhere. The law of impermanence of the nature. That is the anicca. Second, he must understand the law of anatta. Anatta means the egolessness. Anicca is impermanence and anatta is egolessness. Egolessness. And the third one is the dukkha. He must understand the law of the nature, that is the unsatisfactoriness. So these three things one should understand properly. And understanding these three things is called the wise and skillful vision. So the path of liberation starts from here. The first one should understand the wise and skillful vision. First one should understand the law of anicca of the nature, the law of anatta of the nature, and law of dukkha of the nature. In other video, we can explain all these anicca, anatta, and dukkha very deeply. In opposite of Samma Ditthi, there is a Miccha Ditthi. Miccha Ditthi or Sakkaya Ditthi, main names are there. Miccha Ditthi, Sakkaya Ditthi. In the false vision, means the deluded visions, the vision based on the delusion. What is not there, we see the things and we see the truth as untruth and untruth as truth. This type of vision is called Miccha Ditthi. Nowadays, in this society, in each and every family, each and every nations, in whole the society, all the world, every problems are based on misunderstanding each other. When we don't understand each other, then the problems starts there. So that is why the root of the problems is the misunderstanding or wrongly understanding the things. So this wrong interpretation of the things leads many problems. So let us start to develop a wise and skillful vision so that our later the thinking process would be influenced accordingly. Dear friend, today we discussed about the Samma Ditthi, the wise and skillful vision, how Samma Ditthi is very much relevant to solve the today's problem in the society, in the world. Today's Today we are living in a very difficult situation. In every moment, each and every moment, we are facing a lot of problems. Each and every houses, each and every families, each and every society, we are having a lot of problems. So these all problems are due to the wrong vision, wrong understanding. So let us develop our understanding proper way. Let us develop a perfect understanding so that we can eradicate all these problems from this world and we can establish a peaceful world. So, in our next video, let us discuss about the remaining part of the Noble Eightfold Path. So, thank you very much. And one thing, you please don't forget to subscribe and share. And if you like it, then it's good. Thank you very much. Namo Buddhaya.